Realme. Guys, Realme is the brand which introduced us we can get very impressive specs in very valuable price in our smartphone. Realme launched Realme 1 with the MediaTek Helio P60 and Realme got a big success with the launch of Realme 1. Because Realme 1 was a very powerful device and its base variant is under 9000 rupees, so the consumers were getting more performance than they were paying for it. Then Realme launched Realme 2, which has all the modern features but a very average processor, which is the Snapdragon 450. With dual rear camera and a 6.2-inch notch display but 720p. Then after Realme listened to the needs of the consumer and launched Realme 2 Pro, which were become very famous among the Indian consumers and also in other countries. The Realme 2 Pro has 6.3 inches Full HD Plus dewdrop display, which looks very modern, and it has the Snapdragon 660 chipset in it, which is quite powerful chipset, and the base variant of the Realme 2 Pro is under 14,000 rupees, which has the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, and the Realme 2 Pro will become very popular in Indian consumers. After then, the Realme is planning to launch a new smartphone, which is the Realme U. The Realme U will have the MediaTek Helio P70 chipset in it, and it will become the first smartphone which has the MediaTek Helio P70 chipset in it. And you can see on your screen the Antutu benchmark scores of MediaTek Helio P70, which is very impressive, and the Realme U will have the same design as the Realme 2 Pro have, with the same dual-drop notch screen display and along with an impressive front camera of 24 megapixel. And the Realme U will be a selfie-centric smartphone. Along with that, it will support 20 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera and also with the 3500 mAh battery. And guys, here are some of the camera samples which is captured by the Realme U, and Realme shared these pics on their social media platforms. And might be it will get a new operating system except of the Color OS. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about latest technology. Here is Prajwal Sonone signing off.